Good morning, friends. Welcome to my YouTube channel of astrologer Anil Agarwal. See, my effort has always been uh, in doing some research and finding out whatever maximum I can find out from different angles and different techniques to analyze a problem. Now, the burning question today is coronavirus. As I had predicted that the number of cases will reduce after Ketu leaving the Jasta star, it has proved spot on. And my feeling is that it will continue like this. But now there is a planetary change in the planetary positions also. And the solar ingress is a very important chart. There are 12 solar ingress in a year, and as a matter of fact, the solar ingress in cardinal signs is more important, but equally important in the other signs because they stay for 1 month, and especially when Sun is going to meet Rahu, and there will be cluster of 4 planets in the sign Taurus, which is the ascendant of India Foundation chart and also the ascendant of the Pisces new moon chart 2021-22. Now, this Rahu, when it is close to Sun or Moon, it changes its mode of motion and it becomes stationary and direct, and then it becomes poison. It is most harmful, and in the solar ingress of Taurus, which is taking place on the 14th May at 23:25 hours, the sign rising is Capricorn. It is a Dagda Rashi, and Saturn is placed in the Lagna. It is forming a Shasha Yoga, but then Gulika is also placed in the Lagna, and it is a Prishtode Lagna. It is being aspected by Mars from the 6th house, and Mars is with Moon. So it shows the aggravation of the problems. The disease will continue. The disease will linger on. And the Arudha Lagna is same. The Udaya Lagna, Arudha Lagna are same, and the Chhatra Rashi is Aries. All the three are movable signs. All the three are movable signs. It shows that the disease will be cured. But since all the three are Prishtode, the disease will linger on. So what it means, what it shows, clearly shows that the disease will not be cured easily. It will linger on. Now, I analyzed that there is one good parameter is that the day is Friday and the Lord is Venus, and it is in Amrit Ghati in the 5th house. So that is one positive parameter in the transit. Although the Sun will be with Rahu, Venus, Mercury, and Moon will be with Mars in the 6th house. Now, looking at the D6 and D8 charts, in the D6 chart, the 6th Lord Mercury is not placed well from Ketu and Mars. It should be placed well for cure from Ketu and Mars, and Mars is debilitated in the D6 chart. Mars should be in fiery sign to give relief. So what it means? The disease will hang on. It will be a hanging fire. Now, I go to the D8 chart. In the D8 chart, there is no disease which is shown fatal. I mean, it is the 6th Lord is not with Ketu, Rahu or Saturn. Now, this clearly shows that the disease may continue its state of motion. It will continue. It will be a hanging fire. It may not aggravate its shape into fatality. So, but I don't believe in one parameter. I see number of parameters, and the next parameter is then you have to see Gulika, Mrityusputa, Dehasputa, and Pransputa. According to that, the disease may increase. According to that, the disease may increase because in the Navamsha, you have to see the Lagna, the Moon, and the Mrityusputa. Mrityusputa is the greatest, and Moon is, the longitude of moon is lesser than longitude of the Lagna. The Lagna is Capricorn, moon is Libra, and the Mrityuspita is in Scorpio. So it shows that the disease will continue. The disease is definitely not good. Especially now I come to the other part, going into more fineness. There is a Veda between Mars and Saturn till 16th of May, as far as the Nakshatra Sanghata Chakra is concerned. There is Veda between Mars and Saturn in the Rashi Sanghata Chakra. There is exact degree aspect of Mars on Saturn on the 16th May. So what it shows, that from 14th May to 16th May become very critical. 14th May to 16th May become very critical, and Gulika is in Lagna. Mars is also aspecting Lagna in close degrees. Gulika is at 15 degrees. So it becomes very critical. The 14th to 16th May becomes very critical, but we have 5 parameters which are very good. After looking into this, I will also see some positives. Now the positive is that Ketu is out of the Jesta star. It is a big relief. Next would be on the 16th of May, there will be no Veda between Mars and Saturn as far as the Nakshatra Sanghata Chakra is concerned. Rahu will become adverse from the 13th of May till 21st of May. It will give spikes. Then from 26th of May to 11th of June. So primarily from 14th of May to 11th of June, the things may not be very good, because I have even seen the solar eclipse of the 10th and I don't find any seriousness in that chart. So what it means, and then Rahu will also become in normal motion. So now the next critical period starts from 14th May to 16th May, to be very specific, and then this disease will hang on like a hanging fire till 11th of June, because till 11th of June Rahu is going to be adverse for a number of days. So it is not good, and especially in Rohini Nakshatra. So and in the solar eclipse of the 10th June, I don't find any fatality. If I don't look at the solar eclipse, it can be the lunation chart. So the lunation chart shows that there is some ease. So what we boil down to is that a time period from 14th to 16th is bad. There could be some spikes in the coronavirus, but the total number of cases which have touched 4,12,000 per day, happy to say that this numbers, it may not touch these numbers. The numbers can increase today. Yesterday they were 3,29,000 lakh cases, 3.29 lakh cases. The number of cases can increase from 3.29 lakhs, but if they will not increase then 4.12 lakhs. This is my astrological analysis, and this is, I'm saying on the safe side, but according to me they may not even cross 3.29, taking a positive perspective. So friends, now the time is from 14th to 16th is not good. 16th I've already said, I've not changed my dates. I'm being more specific from 14th to 16th, because there is a solar ingress in Taurus, and there are 4 planets, there are 3 planets and Mercury, and these 4 planets are in fixed sign. So the disease will be cured slowly. But there is one more good parameter. The 6th Lord Mercury is over 15 degrees and it is about 26 degrees. So that means coronavirus is in full form. So during this transit, the coronavirus will be in full form. And Mars remains in this sign, then also it is not good. So that means till 2nd of June. The moment it leaves the 6th house, there will be a relief, although he will become debilitated and he will go in the 7th house, but it will come out of the 6th house and it will be placed well from Ketu. Then he will be placed well from Ketu. Right now neither Moon is placed well from Ketu, neither Mars is placed well from Ketu. So Mars will be placed well from Ketu. We should not consider that Mars is going in debilitation. So because it is going in debilitation, the disease will increase. We have to see the relation between Mars and Ketu, the relation between the 6th Lord and Ketu. Right now, the 6th Lord and Ketu are not in a bad position as far as if you see the Pisces new moon chart, because there the 6th Lord is Venus, and in this D6 chart also, Venus is also not placed well from Ketu, so the disease will continue. So we have to see from all angles. So my feeling is that we are going to get slowly relief from coronavirus, but there may be some spikes, some sine waves from the 16th to 11th of June 2021. And as per the India Foundation chart, Saturn will come out of the D8 chart from the 8th house. The Lagna Lord of D8 is placed in the 8th house. Lagna is Aquarius, and in the D8 chart, in the foundation chart of India, it is placed in the 8th house, and the transit Saturn is also transiting over it. So after it goes in retrogression, it will come in the 7th house from release from confinement, release from hospitalization. So my friend, I would say 11th June, then 21st June, and then slowly after 20th July, because Mars will also leave. It will go for cure. Mars has to be strong, and when it goes in Leo, it will be stronger than what it will be in Cancer. So that's all, friends. I just wanted to share. Things are improving definitely, but don't get panicky. Even if there is the number of cases, they slightly go on the higher side because of the spikes by Rahu. So that's all, friends. I just wanted to share, and let's hope for the best, and wishing you best of luck, and thank you for listening to me. Bye bye.